Hello, my name is Joyellen Williams, and I am the curator for the Bentley Rare Book Museum at Kennesaw State University. Due to COVID-19, we cannot host in-person rare book programs. Instead, it is my pleasure to provide you with remote access to a few very rare pieces from our collection demonstrating religious history. This is an excerpt of an original 1611 King James Bible that includes the books of Ecclesiastes and Song of Solomon. Although the 1611 King James Bible is well known, it was not the first attempt to translate the Bible into English. As early as the 1520s and 1530s, scholars like William Tyndale created English translations of the Bible. Because religious and political leaders labeled these translations as heresy, many of the early translators, like Tyndale, were martyred. Everything changed in 1604 when King James I of England charged a group of 47 scholars to translate the Bible into English. This was an act of political, religious, and intellectual importance. As the new and foreign-born King of England, King James believed that the creation of a new Bible in his honor would legitimize his power and reign. The physical structure of this important text gives us a window into history. The rag linen paper has minimal discoloration, and the ink, most likely iron gall ink, has remained black. These elements show that high-quality materials were used to print the Bible. You may also notice its large size. This shows that the King James Bible was not meant to be read in small, isolated spaces. It was meant to be an experience, read aloud among family members or a congregation. Finally, you may notice the lack of marginal notes and commentary. King James was not a fan of biblical commentary because he believed it could lead his subjects to interpret the Bible in ways he did not approve of. Though many early printings of the King James Bible were sometimes laden with errors, the cultural and linguistic legacy of this translation has endured. This is a portfolio of beautiful Hebrew and English prayers edited and published by Rabbi Malcolm Thompson. What I love most about this piece is its multifaceted structure. We learn about its structure and printing history here on the verso of the front page. We see that this is a collaborative piece with many contributors, including artists and calligraphers. We also learn about the circumstances surrounding its printing. This is a limited edition work, meaning that only a specific number were printed. This is copy 5 of 108. It makes sense that only a limited number were printed because this work was specifically created in honor of Deborah Leah Levinson's bat mitzvah in 1972. Without a doubt, this is a fine press work. The leaves are printed on fine quality paper, and the portfolio is beautifully bound in Indian silk. A high-quality gift like this demonstrates the enduring significance of religious traditions. Finally, let's take a look at an item from the Islamic faith. This is a manuscript, meaning it was written by hand. It is a decorated Quran leaf created in 1840. This serves as a good reminder that widespread use of printing in Europe did not supplant the manuscript tradition in all areas of the globe. In Muslim communities, most books were still copied by hand until the 19th century. This piece is written in traditional Arabic, which is often used for holy texts. Black ink is used for the textual content, and the borders and decorations employ a combination of red, blue, and gold colors. These colors were usually created from vegetable and mineral dyes. Thank you for attending this miniature edition of Rare Book Open House. To all of our patrons, we miss you dearly, and we look forward to seeing you hopefully in the coming months. If you'd like to contact us or need more information about the Bentley Rare Book Museum, please visit rarebooks.kennesaw.edu or email us at rarebooks@kennesaw.edu.